Hi LearnPress LMS users, welcome to our channel. Many customers asked us if there is any way to edit course and lesson in bulk. So, we thought to create a video to show how easy it is to edit the courses on LearnPress LMS by just importing a CSV, you guessed it right. Our LearnPress LMS Course Importer plugin has the ability to edit courses just by using the CSV template. We presume you have already installed LearnPress LMS Course Importer plugin. So, here are the steps. First, download CSV template from LearnPress LMS Course Importer settings page. To update course data, you must fill the course title as it is existing on your website. If admin fill existing course title on the template, it will update many fields like course content, category, tag, total students, duration value, duration measure, feature image data for course data. If admin fill existing course title and section title, it will update section content. If admin fill existing course title, section title, and lesson title, it will update lesson content, lesson duration value and measure. So, whatever you want to change, fill those fields. But one file will always be common: the course title as it is existing on your website. Save the modified CSV file once you've made the changes. Log into your LearnPress LMS enabled WordPress website as an administrator and go to Import Courses menu. Upload your CSV file from the LearnPress LMS Course Importer settings page. That's it, you have successfully updated course data. Let's see from the course editor. You can see all data successfully updated. Thank you for watching our video on LearnPress LMS tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.